Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, October 30th. Come on, let's go pick some stuff. I think I made a mistake with this deep mulch. You know, I discovered this as a way so I didn't have to weed so much. But you know what I found out? Now I've got to harvest so much. That's okay. We're gonna eat it all anyhow. I don't know if you noticed this, but as we're pruning, I've been letting this string down just a little bit, and that way the vine sags, and even though it's growing taller, I'm able to get it a little closer to the ground so I don't have to reach up so high. It's just a nice way so you don't have to come out here with a ladder. We have another little trick. Now we could go ahead and trellis this straight on up, and we go up, 10 or 12 feet, and I guarantee you this thing is 10 feet tall. So this is a trick that I've got. Since the tomato is a vine, we've let it sag just a little bit. Now we're just running it across the top of the trellis. And as it comes in contact with the other tomatoes, just like visiting a neighbor, so you just be very gentle and you just wind that back around and it'll keep trellising right on down. We've done that in a few places. We do have a few more tomatoes that we need to pick, but I see some beans over here, and while we're here, let's just go ahead and pick those off. Either that or we'll have to come back by. Some of these are small enough we're going to leave on. Some of these little tender shoots are really, really good. Oh man, they're everywhere. Let's just get a mess of these. We got beans galore. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I mean, look at that. Just on one string. I mean, look what we got up in here. We'll be able to get seeds off of Carla. They started splitting and the bugs got at them a little bit. But that right there, that is why we do it. That is one beautiful heirloom tomato. Got some great tomatoes. Little ones. I know we've been picking the bigger ones every day. It's kind of like today's harvest. Got a couple nice little volunteer cantaloupe. Those just popped right on off. Those are beautiful. See what else we can harvest. Now the almanac said don't plant anything till the 1st or 2nd, and then that's your root crops. 3rd or 4th, we're going to go ahead and plant some above ground crops. But the almanac also said go ahead and tend your garden. So that's why we put out the deep mulch, getting ready. And let's see if we got any carrots. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, busted the very tip off. This one. Oh. These are going to be great. Go ahead and get a couple more. Look at that. Look at that. That's going to be great. Okay, we're clearing a little path because we're going to go ahead and plant. We're going to go ahead and plant some of our root crops here. And while we're doing that, let's see about some beets. Oh, here we go. There you are. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and leave these little ones in. We'll just plant around them. But that is awesome. Well, I think that's just about as much damage as I'm going to do in the garden today. Well, I do want to thank you for stopping by the garden to help me pick a few things today on this warm August evening. It'll take me a little while to get this stuff cleaned up, but we still have quite a bit in here to pick. And the harvest continues. Now these piles of mulch, we're going to go ahead and spread these out. Get ready to plant our root crops, 1st or 2nd according to the Farmer's Almanac. So I hope to see you there. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Hey Riley, I got some beets for you. Oh, good boy. I got some beets for you. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.